Looking for the best beard oils? Here's a collection that you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1 most popular. Fragrance-free beard oil and leave-in conditioner, 100% pure natural and groomed beards. This is the second leave-in rose item on our list. This fragrance-free beard oil and leave-in conditioner is a worthy addition to our top 10 list for a variety of reasons. It does an outstanding job moisturizing both beard and facial skin, and is also one of the most effective treatments on this list at dealing with itching and irritation. Be sure to also check our guide to the best hair removal creams. Dark amber, ounce, glass bottle, and glass stopper extends shelf life as oils are light sensitive and must be stored in dark amber bottles to protect them from UV light rays and oxidation. Pure natural oils not packaged in dark bottles will lose potency and become non-effective. Number 2. Honest Amish Classic Beard Oil 2 ounce. Honest Amish's favorite phrase when describing their classic beard oil is "it's better than oil." Maybe that's because their oil is a lot like a beard conditioner and offers benefits beyond moisturizing and manageability. The stuff contains 7 important oils designed to improve hair growth and skin health. It also contains a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that nourish the beard and relieve skin irritation, including issues such as beard druff. Honest Amish, a small company in Pennsylvania with a lofty reputation for producing quality men's grooming products, designed its beard oil while keeping in mind that today's grooming market is loaded with oils, balms, conditioners, etc. To ensure that their oil stood out among the rest, they were determined to make sure that it was, as they say, better than oil. Number 3. Viking Revolution Beard Oil Conditioner. All natural, unscented, organic, Argan and Jojoba oils. From the price and the cheesy title, we wondered if it could really hold up to the test. Not only is it 100% organic, making it perfect for those with sensitive skin, but it's also a cure for the itchy, scratchy, dry beard. Viking Revolution Beard Oil Conditioner is optimal for wintertime use, especially if you work outside and you're looking to protect your face mane first and foremost, because we're about to drop the ball. It doesn't have much of a scent at all. The bottle lets off a nutty aroma when you open it, but when you apply the oil, you have about 90 seconds until that scent fades completely. Excellent for protection and irritation-free shielding from the elements, but not the best for an evening outing. Number 4. Beard Oil 1 FL Oz by 7 Potions. Fragrance often pops out in reviews in 7 Potions Woodland Harmony Oil, and with good reason. The oil's scent, after all, is unique and decidedly masculine, with its pleasant blend of cedarwood and sandalwood. The scent is only part of the equation in choosing the best beard oils, however, and not necessarily something near the top of the list when discussing beard oil attributes. Have no fear, because Woodland Harmony has many other benefits, making it one of today's best beard oils. A couple of other things worth noting about Woodland Harmony is that it absorbs quickly into hair follicles and the skin, and that it doesn't have a greasy feeling. It works quickly, another reason why we think it's the best beard oil for growth and thickness. Number 5. Bossman Beard Oil 4 Oz. Eliminates beard itch, bigger bottle. For many years, a lot of men relied on salon grooming solutions or basic oils to keep their beards shiny and soft. However, today, with so many natural oil solutions, the Bossman non-greasy jelly beard oil stands out among the crowd, providing a lasting solution to a dry and brittle beard. It has proven to be twice as effective as natural oil formulas, as its consistency is a lot thicker than its competitors. Usually, natural oils are extremely effective, and there's no doubt about that. However, what this jelly formula has that's superior to other brands is the extra thickness. It lasts longer and does more for the hair in the long run. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.